Hey gang, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. That's where you can find me. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, probably a few other places if you Google me. So, there's that. This is the September 2018 Ipsy glambag. There was a little delay on this, but we'll explain that along with why that one product is all cracked and powdery looking. So there was a delay in me getting all the products. So that's why there's a delay on this video. It's not me doing my typical procrastination thing. So anyway, the theme is lashing out. The question isn't who is going to let me, it's who is going to stop me. Yes, that's what that little card says. So let's not stop me into getting into these products. We have the Ipsy September 2017 glam bag, all about lashing out, creating bold looks. The first product, which is all broken to hell, is the Luna Translucent Powder. I'm actually going to save this and I'm going to show you a really cool hack to salvage it in another video. But I said something to Ipsy customer service, and did they deliver? Yes, they sent a different translucent powder. Is the Tarte Loose Translucent Powder, so I'm excited to try that. Then we have Winky Lux eyeshadow in Ursula. Is a mermaidy purple, definitely a little shimmer to it. Then we have the Smashbox lip. It is in Babe Alert. I'm wearing it right now. What's cool is the tip you can use as a lip liner. Then we have EVA New York City, EVA NYC, little satin dream leave-in cream. It's supposed to detangle and nourish your ends, which I'm getting all kinds of ends, and I know that you're probably like, why is she all red there? I found out I'm allergic to Bath and Body Works body spray, so now I am broken out in hives. No little Benadryl won't take care of. Then finally, we have the Luxie Beauty Wonder Woman Tapered Blender, which Wonder Woman, Supergirl, oh my god, I didn't plan this, but Luxie teamed with Warner Brothers for Wonder Woman brushes, so that is awesome. And then finally, I traded in some of my Luxie points, which Ipsy points, which you get when you refer friends, you follow them on social media, or you review products and your glam bag. So I traded in some for SebaMed liquid face and body wash. It is multi-purpose, and we know how much I love these multi-purpose products for when you're traveling. So that is the bag. So this is where to find me. And I will see you next time on Tomboy Beauty. Stay beautiful.